Good Friday morning, everyone. It is Craft Fair Friday. So here is what I have for today. Okay. They're little cards. They're 3x3 cards, packaged up 2 to a pack with a little envelope. So these would be great for gift cards. Not gift cards, I'm sorry. A great addition to a gift that you're giving someone. And, you could sell these in any type of market, pop-up market, craft fair, etc. Okay, here's one. All I did was use any scrap paper I had. This would be great to use for a 6x6 paper pad. You just have to cut the paper in half, to 3 inches wide by 6 inches long. Fold it in half. Use your scoreboard or whatever you want to fold it in half. And I used Dollar Tree stickers to put on one of them. And this one just has the card and an envelope. Okay. These two actually have 2 to a package. And this was some plaid paper that I have, a bunch of Christmas plaid paper, and I just made a bunch to put in there. The same with this was probably a 3x3, a 6x6 paper pad, and I made 2 cards and put 2 envelopes in it. I did think I bought the envelopes off of, these are different. I bought them off of Amazon. So this one has two little cards in it, but one of them, only one has the decoration on it. The same with this one. I used a little Santa face, and that is from Dollar Tree. My alarm's going off. That's from Dollar Tree as well, from last year. And then this one the same way, 2 cards but only one of them decorated. And then this one, I love this one, Llama Need No Drama. And it's just one little card. And it's just perfect, super cute. Maybe you want to, maybe somebody wants to just send a little note to someone. And this one, no problem. It's super cute. These are old stickers from the Dollar Tree. Whoops. And then here's another one, a llama with a little cactus. And then here's one, just a little cactus. Super cute. That could go with a child's gift. Okay, so I did purchase at one point, a long time ago, these envelopes have been in my stash for a long time. So is this paper. But you can make 6 packs of little cards, and I believe a gift card can fit in one of these. Let me see real quick. Oh yeah, it's too big it's actually bigger than a gift card. But it's just, these little envelopes. I bought these off of Amazon a long time ago, and then these little cards. And I did 6, all the same, from the same paper. And this was probably from a 12x12. I'm pretty sure. So let's see how big these cards are. They're 4 inches by 3 inches. So that means the paper was 4x6. Out of one sheet of 12x12, you could get all 6 cards if you cut it correctly. So you would cut it in half at 6 inches, and then cut these at 4 inches each, and you would be able to get 6 cards out of a 12x12. And then just add your envelopes, package them up, and you're set to go. That would be a great thing for selling. Here's some other options of them. I used fall paper, and then this is some old Close to My Heart paper that I had. That paper was probably at least 15, 20 years old. I mean, but anyway, you can make tons of these cards just by, you know, using your 6x6 and your 12x12 paper. So let me know, what would you do? They're super cute, but this is something you could definitely use for a craft fair and just do all types of them. You could do a fruit theme, you know, do some strawberry cards, do, you know, just a ton of them in all different kinds. This could be, use up all the paper that you really don't have an idea of what to do with it, and just make these little cards and add your little envelopes. Okay. Now we are going to do the drawing for the little bunny notepad tucks, or whatever they're called, on this video. So give me a minute and we'll get to the screen and do that. Okay guys, there's something wrong with me because I didn't even hit tape, and so I didn't get this video at all. Oh my gosh, it's been a morning, guys. It's been a week, but anyway, we'll just go with it. But Carolina Bug and Jennifer N12, you won the little bunny tucks. And please email me at deborahsavon@gmail.com, and that's DEBORAHSAV as in Victor ON @gmail.com. Anyway, email me your address and I will get these out there. You guys have a great weekend, and this video should be up around 2 p.m. All right, but here's the winners: Carolina Bug and Jennifer N12. I'm not sure what I did, but I forgot to tape. All right, bye guys. Have a great day.